When your home or business needs dependable comfort, choosing the right HVAC contractor in Dickinson, Texas makes all the difference. Spears AC and Heating provides professional heating and cooling solutions designed around your comfort and needs. From routine maintenance to unexpected repairs, our experienced team is ready to help keep your HVAC system running efficiently. We understand how quickly Texas temperatures can become uncomfortable when your air conditioning system stops working. That's why we focus on responsive service and practical solutions for homeowners and businesses throughout Dickinson. Our HVAC services are designed to improve comfort, support system performance, and help prevent avoidable problems. Whether your AC needs a repair, tune-up, or replacement, our team can help you determine the right solution. We also provide heating services to help keep your indoor space comfortable when cooler weather arrives. Regular HVAC maintenance can help identify developing issues before they turn into costly and inconvenient breakdowns. Our technicians work carefully to provide reliable workmanship and attention to detail on every service call. At Spears AC and Heating, we believe customers deserve clear communication and dependable service from start to finish. We proudly serve Dickinson and surrounding Texas communities with heating and cooling solutions you can count on. If your system is struggling with uneven temperatures, unusual noises, or poor airflow, it may be time for professional attention. Don't let an HVAC problem disrupt your comfort when experienced help is available. Call Spears AC and Heating today at 832-420-2665 for professional HVAC service in Dickinson, Texas. Visit www.spearsairconditioning.com, www.spearsairconditioning.com to learn more and schedule the HVAC service your home or business needs.